So curious ka ba kung paano gamitin ang AI in actual workflows na kunyari sa trabaho, sa opisina, or wherever, sa clients na meron ka. So ito, share ko sa inyo what I actually use and how I use AI in terms of research naman. So kunyari kailangan ko mag-research for a particular subject matter or sa isang website. So instead of having to go through the website isa-isa, I have AI do that for me, and it puts it in a Google Sheet. So let's say you're doing a research for these couple of websites. These are just random websites na kinuha ko lang. And gusto mo hanapin yung email address, let's say phone number, and a bit of information about the website, what they do, tsaka website summary. So sabihin natin, ito, for the sake of example, let's say ito lang yung kailangan mong, ito lang meron ka, no? But you can have more of these. So how do I use AI for this? This is just Google Sheets, no? So, and I created an AI tool where it basically gets information from the website and puts it all here. So I'll give you a demo. So this is an automation tool where it uses an artificial intelligence as well. So this is the one where it runs from your Google Sheet and it gets information from your Google Sheet. Yeah. And then it runs again in terms of analysis to summarize information and then puts it back sa Google Sheet. So this platform is called Make.com. It's an AI automation tool. It's commonly used for people who are into automating yung mga repetitive tasks, no? So paano ba siya gumagana? So let's say bigyan natin ng demo. So let's say when you run this automation, yan. So ang gagawin niya ngayon, if you look at the website, so if you look at this, it automatically populates the information. Ang hanapin niya ngayon, i-run niya, search niya yung website, kunin niya yung mga details na hinahanap ko. Yan. And then yung gagawa siya ng summary. As you can see, live. Wala, hindi ko ginagawa yung ginagalaw. Ito yung kamay ko. So it's just doing all of these things on its own. Summarizing the information na meron sa website. Ayan. So this is one of the practical uses ng AI technology, no? So how we can use it, how you can use it personally kung nag-research ka. So instead of having doing manual work, you can leave it to the AI tech to do it for you. So ayan. So like here, nag-generate na siya ng summaries. Ayan. So ayan pa pala. Dahil pa lang pahabol. Ayan, lumabas na pala siya. Ayan, tanan. So kompleto na. So that's one practical application of using an AI tool na pwede mo i-try at pwede mo i-experience yourself, no? So kung gusto niyo yung AI tool na yan at gusto niyo malaman pa yung mga AI automation tools, just comment on this video and follow me for more.